In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Microsoft Teams to n8n. This integration is a great way to streamline your workflows and utilize the powerful automation features that n8n offers in conjunction with Microsoft Teams. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Let's get started. The first step is to sign into Microsoft Teams. Open the application on your device and make sure you're logged into the specific Microsoft account that you want to integrate. This is important because n8n will need access to this account to send messages and manage data. If you're not logged in, please log in now. Next, we will open n8n. Go ahead and log into your n8n account. Once you're on the main dashboard, you'll want to click on the option that says Open Instance. This will take you into your n8n workspace where we can configure the integration with Microsoft Teams. Now, let's access the credentials required for this connection. On the Overview page, look for the Personal section and navigate there. Once you're inside, you'll find a tab on the left-hand menu labeled Credentials. Click on that tab so we can move forward with adding your Microsoft Teams credentials. In this section, you will need to add a new credential. Look for the button that says Add Credential, or if this is your first time setting up credentials, it might prompt you with Add First Credential. Click on this to start the process. A search bar will appear, and here you need to search for Microsoft Teams. Type Microsoft Teams into the search bar and select the Microsoft Teams OAuth 2 API option from the results. This selection is vital as it ensures that n8n will be able to connect to Microsoft Teams through the proper API methods. Once you've selected the Microsoft Teams API, the next step is to connect your account. Leave the connection sharing settings at their default values for now. By doing this, you'll ensure that your connection is set up correctly and efficiently. Now go ahead and click the Connect My Account button to initiate the connection process. In a moment, a pop-up window will appear. This window will request permissions for n8n to access your Microsoft Teams data. If prompted, log into your Microsoft account. Once you've logged in, simply click Accept to grant n8n the necessary permissions. This step is crucial, as it allows n8n to access and interact with your Teams data. After you've accepted